Greetings buddies, I welcome you all in the Usitility channel. Now let us find out how to download and install the Bullet Echo on PC so we can enjoy with mouse and keyboard even on a big screen. You may already know, this is an Android OS game, and we'll discover how to set it up on a personal computer. Just focus on the screen and keep watching the video in depth. With no more delay, let's simply take the start. To start with, open up any specific web browser, for instance, Google Chrome, and you need to click the link provided in the video description. You will see this link. You'll automatically be forwarded to this web page of BlueStacks Bullet Echo. By using BlueStacks, we'll install and then play the game on a big screen. If you wish to enjoy games on a laptop or computer, then BlueStacks is useful, and it runs as an emulator. We select the Download Bullet Echo for PC option, and then the download starts. The downloaded file is here. Open this saved file. In Windows 10, it will have asked us for permission. We respond with yes and then accept. Minimize the internet browser to check out installation options. The next step is to choose the place where you want to install the Bullet Echo. A directory could be selected by simply clicking on Customize the installation. We just leave it as it is, we click back, and we choose the Install Now option. This file is tiny and will be saved within little time. The downloading depends on the net speed. Now it can proceed to install the emulator. Look, the file is installed on my laptop. Take into account that the PC will require some time to make configurations for BlueStacks and also to start it, but the next time, it'll launch quickly. Keep your eyes to the computer screen because we are going to clarify an essential step now. This is an option for Google Play. Sign in, you have to click here. For the login to Google Play, you'll need to submit an email together with a password. Logging into Google Play on this emulator is super easy. Like we've described, we will input email and password to get access to Google account. We have now entered it, and it welcomes us. To carry on game installation, we accept the terms of use by pressing I agree. If you want to make the backup of your system within the cloud storage, then click yes, or else continue by hitting no. Now we have accepted the terms, and we have entered Google Play. Just click this arrow to exit the emulator and go to the computer's desktop. You will notice these icons, BlueStacks Multi-Instance as well as BlueStacks. Press BlueStacks to start the BlueStacks application. Now we will try out the installation of Bullet Echo. For this reason, I will open Google Play in BlueStacks. Now, you will notice, my PC is actually downloading Bullet Echo. Well, downloading of the game depends on the speed of the internet. I will be back again after completion of this downloading in order to save plenty of time. Thus, it has already been done installing, and since you can view it, it's now made an additional icon on your computer's desktop, Bullet Echo, which will let us connect to the game without needing to go to the BlueStacks. Please click here to start Bullet Echo and have fun. Here is the keyboard setting if you need to configure it. Anyways, keyboard settings already look ideal, so we will just close it. Do you want to enjoy the game on the large screen? If yes, then there are two methods. Look, this is how you can enhance the screen by maximizing the emulator. Anyhow, it won't get 100% large. Press F11 to have 100% full screen and then press the same key to go to normal mode. This way, we'll be capable of playing in full screen without even anything from Windows annoying us. No doubt that playing any game in an emulator uses a lot of power, hence the overall performance is determined by the power of your system. Let's now immediately look over the way to alter the language of this game. To do this, you are likely to select Preferences. You can choose any language from this point that you want to. And here you go. So this is the way we have installed the Bullet Echo in computer. If the video tutorial was beneficial for you, then subscribe to the Usitility channel, and we'll be back with new stuff. Thanks to you for watching this video, and we'll be back in a new video. Bye.